The iPhone 17 Pro is a masterpiece, but that massive camera island is basically a magnet for every concrete floor in existence. Some of you think lens protectors are a sin again. I know, some of you think lens protectors are a thing. But before you scroll away, let me show you why this $10 piece of glass might just save your $2,000 investment. Welcome back to the channel. Hit the subscribe button if you are serious about your texture, and let's dive in. Today we are unboxing the Baseus Lens Protector. Now pay attention because this is where most people mess up. You have to buy the specific version for your model. Don't try to fit a 16 Pro protector on the 17. Also, color matching is non-negotiable. I got the white silver 17 Pro, so I got the silver rings. If you put orange rings on a white phone, you will see those ugly outlines every time you look at the back. Inside the box, we've got the protector and this little sealed kit. Inside here are the wet and dry wipes. This is the part that determines if your phone will look like a professional shoot or a blurry dream sequence. I'm whipping down all these three lenses thoroughly. If you leave a single smudge or a streak, I promise you the moment you point your camera at a lamp or at the sun, you will get those nasty lights, streaks and flares. Clean it like your Instagram career depends on it. Let's be real for a second. iPhone lenses are incredibly taut. We're talking sapphire level hardness here. They don't stretch easily. By the way, if you are finding this helpful, drop a like and ring that bell. It really helps the algorithm show this to other iPhone owners who are currently living dangerously. Peel off the film and alight it. You will see some air bubbles trapped under the glass. Don't panic. Just give them a firm push with your finger. After a few seconds, the installation plastic frame should just lift right off. Look at that. If you didn't know it was there, you'd honestly miss it. It sits perfectly, flush with the original design. It's like a teeny, invisible suit of armor for your sensors. Now for the moment of truth. Let's fire up the camera. I'm checking both photo and video modes, and I'm pointing it directly at my studio lights. As you can see, no streaks, no ghosting, and zero loss in sharpness. If you prepared the glass correctly, the quality is identical to the naked lens. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the gear that actually matters. I'll catch you in the next one.